Hi, and welcome back to another tutorial with Mr. Petchmo. Today we're going to talk about how to add a slideshow from Google Slides into your Nearpod lesson. So starting from Nearpod, I'm just going to hit that Add Slide button, and this is Content. So we're going to go to Content and then scroll over to Slideshow. So after I hit Slideshow, it's going to ask me to upload, and I can either upload a hard copy, and this will import a PowerPoint from Microsoft, and it will also import a slideshow from Google Slides. So I'm going to hit my drive, and then I'm going to search for my cell slideshow. Oops, let's click in there again. My cell slideshow that I borrowed. Here we go. I'm going to just throw that in there, double click it. And it'll take a long time to load. Usually doesn't, but I've been really using my computer a lot today, so maybe I'm slowing down a little bit. There we go. So this one is taking a little while to load for the slideshow. There we go. Now we can click on that slideshow and we can see our slideshow. We can also add more. We can add more slides. We can add more information. And when we have that done, we will close that out. And the kids will get a slide with a scroll bar on it, and they'll be able to scroll through and click on each slide one at a time and just scroll down through your slideshow. So you don't really have any control on that one of your slideshow, but there's a way to do that, and that is to convert your whole slideshow into its own Nearpod. So I'll show you that in a different tutorial. So it's that easy, and you're ready to go with your slideshow. So I hope you enjoyed that one, and we'll see you next time.